Hi everyone, welcome back. This is for Green Group and I've got Evelyn here to help me today and we're going to make a snowman. So you will need a white piece of paper, you will need grey lead, scissors and some coloured pencils. Step number one, we're going to have our paper long ways and I'm going to fold it in half. So it's just like this, and then I'm going to cut along the fold line so I have two pieces. So there's one for Evelyn and one for me. And you can make it with your brother or sister, maybe with your mum and dad, whoever. All right, step number two. We are going to fold our paper in half this way. Just made it smaller. Good work. And then we're going to do exactly the same thing again. That will be nice and small. Make sure you keep it up this way so the folds are on the sides, not the top and the bottom. All right. Okay, drawing time. First thing I'm going to do is draw a rectangle on mine. I'm going to put it down on the table and draw it, and then I'll hold it up and show you. So I'm going to draw one line across, and then another line like that. Okay, super easy. Then, in this bottom part, I'm going to draw like a semicircle. So I'm going to start on my fold line. I'm going to leave a bit of space. I'm going to draw it round like this. So it looks a bit like a face, which is what it's going to turn into. Great work. Then we're going to draw a square at the top. And this is going to be his hat. I'm actually going to just draw my two lines so they come right off the top of the page. Okay, pretty good so far. All right, now comes the tricky part. We're going to do some cutting. You have to be really careful when you cut it. So this part here, where our rectangle, we don't cut the sides. If we cut the sides, it's not going to work. So no cutting the sides. I'm going to start here. I'm going to cut across. And I'm going to turn my paper and cut up on my hat. So see how I've left it? I haven't cut that bit. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Right. Haven't cut this bit, don't cut there. I'm going to come underneath and cut the bottom and then go around my semicircle and across. Am I going to cut these sides? No. Great concentrating, well done. Fantastic. So now we have made a snowman paper chain. So I can unfold it and unfold it again. And I've got 4 different snowmen. And now we're going to decorate them. Excellent. You could wear them like glasses. So first thing I'm going to do is draw some faces. And I'm going to use black for my faces because I'm going to pretend they're like the little stones. I'm going to draw this one with a smiley face. And I'm going to colour it in so that he's got a black hat. Now I know that you will do way better colouring than me. I'm rushing so I can show you what it looks like. And I just need, I'm going to use red, but orange would probably be better to make his carrot nose. So there is my first snowman's face. And then you can do the next one. You could make some patterns on it. You might make it so he's got some holly leaves on his hat. You can decorate it however you like. There we go, I made some holly leaves. Oop. This one's going to have a green carrot nose. Oh no. Thank you. And this one is going to be a sad snowman, so it's going to have an upside down sad face. And there we have it. You can decorate them to look however you want. Good luck. Hope you have fun. Do you want to show yours before we go, everyone? Sorry, we'll just wait for her to finish. Amazing. Good luck.